What are you guys getting ready to do? Nash, come on, I thought you guys wanted to do this. It's time to do it. What are you guys getting ready to do?
Nothing.
Well, tell the camera what you're getting ready to do.
We're about to go camping, yeah? And our yard.
Don't do that. Turn on the outside light.
Get outside, get outside. Hello, Daddy. Oh, hey, Dad. Dad.
Yeah, we're gonna wait.
Dad.
Don't, when the guys wait for Mom. Wait for Mom.
You got to carry me.
No, you can walk to it. Go, Nash. Wait, Mom wants to wait. Mom wants you to wait. We're gonna turn off the camera until she gets out of here.
Yeah. Yeah, wait. Where's my car?
I don't know.
There
Nash.
on the table.
Right
Right
on the
there.
table.
Right there. I bet you I wasn't sure I wouldn't do it.
My mom is unzipping, get it all opened up.
Those scratches where they shouldn't walk me. Sure, you gotta carry me. Yeah, unzip it and everything. Come on now. Walk me in the race. People walking. Oh, you must be careful. I'm gonna set that up there. And this over there. Very nice shot.
Here's
Natalie,
get in.
I got the flashlight. Natalie, put it
Way down in there.
Way down in there. Oh, what?
Okay, did you put the flashlight in the pouch over there?
No, lay down.
So you know where it is, Nash?
Yeah, put it in the pouch.
Okay.
Where is
In
it?
your sleeping bag.
In the pouch over there by you.
No, it's not.
Well, where'd you put it?
I've got it.
Oh, okay.
Put it in the pouch. Dad,
Alright.
I'm thirsty.
Okay, I'll have to get you a drink.
Me too. Me too. 2 different glasses, Brad.
Okay.
I know what the teacher's gonna do.
Hey, you guys be quiet and go to sleep. When you get in there, turn off the light. Good night, you guys.